now to the latest in the D.C. mansion murder mystery and the investigators' strategy to find any accomplices. With that prime suspect behind bars, investigators are looking for anyone else linked to the gruesome murders of 4 people. And ABC's Ryan Smith has been on this story from the start and has more. Hi, Ryan.
Good morning, Paula. Authorities are on the lookout for Daron Wint's suspected accomplices. Others they believe were in this house during the family's siege and killing. And while their criminal complaint reveals clues into their thinking, even releasing those 5 people with Wint during his arrest could hold the key. This morning, authorities pressing on in their pursuit for the suspected accomplices of Daron Wint in the quadruple homicide and fire in this D.C. mansion. In this criminal complaint filed Friday, authorities say they believe the killing of Sava, Amy, and Philip Savopoulos and their housekeeper Vera Figuera required the presence and assistance of more than one person.
How do you confine control 4 people under duress? It's almost impossible.
That document revealing key clues of others' involvement. The day of the fire, according to the complaint, the family's Porsche was driven erratically by a man with short, well-groomed hair, seemingly different from Wint's dreadlocked hair at his bond hearing Friday. Wint's criminal background and associates could hold the key. The former welder for American Iron Works, where Savopoulos was CEO, was once arrested for carrying a 2-foot-long machete and a BB gun outside its headquarters. And while weapons charges in that case were dropped, he's been convicted twice of assault and served jail time. Authorities detaining Wint and 5 others with him after an intense 48-hour manhunt. All 5 men and women have been released without immediately being charged, but that may be by design.
There's a lot of reasons to keep people out of jail, because when people are on the street, they talk. The whole idea is to gather more information.
The Savopoulos family noting in a statement Friday that while they hope Wint's arrest eases calm and restores calm to this community, it wouldn't abate their pain. Their surviving teenage daughters, away at school during the fire, now are looking at a funeral coming up in just over a week's time for their parents and their little brother. Paula, Dan?
Thinking about those kids this morning, and I think it's hard for calm to be fully restored when there are more accomplices allegedly out there on the street. Ryan, thank you for your continuing coverage of this story.